Ah, yes, welcome back, my friends. Let us continue the tale of Mathsman. So, last time on Mathsman, if you can remember, he had his... change. He had a plan to sell his double ice cream cones in pursuit of his castle. And he had so many different flavors, and you helped him. And so Mathsman says, thank you. So, Mathsman took all those wonderful combinations you showed him, and he sat there calculating. He started calculating now, and he was calculating, and by the end, he was still calculating. It takes him quite a while to do things, Mathsman. And then Mathsman was sitting there for so long, looking at all your wonderful combinations, and unfortunately, he started to get really thirsty. I'm talking really thirsty. So he got up from his chair, and he had a look around his house. So he had to think, and he go, okay, is there any drinks in the fridge? Nope, nothing in the fridge. You go, okay, I'll go have a look. I had a look in the kitchen. Is there anything in the kitchen shelves? Nothing. He was so thirsty, Mathsman. He even had a look and checked in the garbage. Not sure why the garbages are very unhappy. Wait a minute. That's better. He checked in his garbage, but still, unfortunately, no drink. So he's like, okay, I'm going to have to... What do I do here? I'm going to have to go outside. Now, in this story, Mathsman doesn't actually want to go outside. Now, I forgot to mention something in this particular day. This particular day, there was a storm brewing outside. And I'm not talking just a little storm. This is one of those storms that you go, oh my golly gosh, that is definitely a storm. But Mathsman, he said, oh, you know what? I'm thirsty. I'm going to have to go outside. So Mathsman, he ventures outside to go look for his drink. And then suddenly, a big gust of wind comes. And Mathsman, before he even knows, is blown away. Miles and kilometers and miles and kilometers. And he ends up on a deserted island. So Mathsman goes, oh my god, oh no, I can't get out. How am I going to sell my ice cream? And of course, he has a big think. And he goes, okay, I'm going to have to get off this island. I'm going to need to build a raft. Now, there's something really special about this island as well. Lucky for Mathsman, he's happened to crash land on an island made up of shapes. And I'm talking squares, circles, and even triangles. So of course, Mathsman, he has an idea! There we go. He says, why don't I use these shapes and build myself a raft? Now, I don't know if I mentioned this to you before, but Mathsman, he's actually not really good at maths. So he says, alright, how am I going to build this raft out of shapes? I need you, year ones and twos, to help me build this raft using these shapes here.